Everyone, Mr. Mush here. So, for our last project, we're going to make a vision board to help us visualize what we want to succeed in for this coming year. Now, what you're going to need is construction paper, or you could get really big poster board. That's up to you. I'm just using construction paper because a really big poster board wouldn't fit on my screen here, and it would just be a real pain. So I'm just using a really small construction paper just to show you how to get started, and then you can use a bigger poster board if you want. So we need construction paper, poster board, scissors, a marker, crayon, pencil. I'm just using a Sharpie, glue, and then I printed out the things that I'm gonna put in my spaces here. All right, now you can use magazines, newspaper, to clip out things, to help visualize. You can draw things if you want. Okay, I'm using some of my drawings that I did on my iPad, and I print them out. So the first things first is when I do my vision board, I like to make sure it's organized. So I have, let's see, I have my like my family right here, things I want to do with my family. Okay, right here is things that I want to learn. Okay, this is my health. And then this is artwork / work that I want to accomplish this year. Okay, now that I've labeled them, I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue them on to my yellow board. I like the idea of yellow being all around good luck, kind of like what we learned in our New Year's episode with the traditions. All right, and then I try to pick colors that associate with the things that I want to work on. So like, I think green is a good healthy color. All right, that's why I chose green for health. Okay, and then purple is symbolically the color of wisdom. Okay, so that's why I have purple as the things that I want to learn. And my artwork and work is important to me, so I chose that to be orange because orange symbolizes joy and happiness, and I want to be happy while I'm doing my artwork and work. Okay, now you could do things like I want to get, like, you could write schoolwork and say like, you know, okay, like I want to get better at spelling, and then you could do that. And I chose red for family because there's lots of love in our family here between me, Charlie Dog, and Silo, as well as Mama Mush and Papa Mush. Okay, so now I have it organized. Now I always like to put a picture of myself in the center. So I'm gonna cut out this picture of me that I really like, and I made it around Thanksgiving. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the center, just like this. Now, I did a drawing of myself. You can get a real picture of yourself. It's up to you. And then I'm just gonna glue it and put it in the center because I want all these things. It's visually striking to be like, okay, all these things are coming in to me. All right, and I'm gonna make them come into fruition. All right. And then I'm just going to go through my things and cut my things out that I want to add. All right. So like if I start with my healthy, there I am in all my glory. That's how I want to look. I want to look like an action star and get really healthy and go to the gym and be healthy. So I'm going to cut this out, and I know I'm going to put this right here. And it's okay if it goes over your board a little bit. That's okay. All right. And you know what? I'm going to do this one instead. All right. And then I have this picture of people going to the gym, because that's what I want to do. I want to go to the gym and I want to be healthy. So there you go. So I'm going to put this in my healthy spot. Okay. And that's a normal. A lot of people like to get physically healthy for New Year's. They put that on their list, like they want to lose weight. Okay, I'm gonna just trim this a little bit. So, okay, but if you don't care that it hangs over, okay, do it up. All right, glue it the way it is. All right, so I'm gonna glue that there. All right, just like that. Okay, and then things I want to learn. I want to learn how to digitally sculpt. So I have a screenshot of someone working on the program Blender. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. Let's see. And then I want to, where is it? All right. And then, you know what? And then this one, I want to get better. I want to learn more songs on my guitar. Okay. And I think that's good for what I want to learn. Okay. Just like this. So I'm going to glue them down. And it's pretty straightforward. And you really think about what you want to accomplish this year. And I always do this every year. Okay, so there's Blender. And then the guitar. This is my guitar that I have. And that symbolizes, like, I don't have to learn new songs. The guitar here is a symbol. It's showing me, okay, I want to learn more songs on my guitar. Okay. And then, for family, I'm going to put a picture of Silo and Charlie Dog that I drew. And I think we need to have a little more fun together. So I'm going to glue this down. And then, let's see, where did it go? Here it is. Just have fun. Okay. I'm cutting it out, and I'm going to put that right there. Glue it down. And this is also a collage. It's a collage. And we'll probably do some more projects of collage. Okay, family, just have fun. And then my artwork and work. I would say, really, one of two things. The first thing that I really want to happen in this coming year is I want more YouTube subscribers. I want to eventually get to that 1 million YouTube subscribers. Okay? So I'm going to put that right here because that's a goal of mine. All right, that's a long-term goal, but we'll see. We'll see if it happens or not. Okay, and then I also want to work on getting better at watercolors because I love how watercolors look, and I know I could be better at it. I like to paint with them, and so I'm gonna put that as a goal of mine for this year to work on watercolors. Okay, and there you go. There's my vision board in all its glory. So I'm going to put this somewhere where I'm going to see it every day. I'm going to probably hang it up in my bedroom because every time I wake up in the morning, I can look at it and be like, okay, am I working on these things that I want to work on and accomplish my New Year's resolutions? All right. So with that being said, I would love to see your vision boards and the things that you want to accomplish this year. So send us a picture to the email below or tag us on social media, and I would love to see it. All right, guys. Well, with that being said, I'm going to head on over to the closing bit, and I'll see you next time. Peace.